Hey guys! Okay, so today I wanted to talk to you about false lashes. So I'm going to do a quick little video on how to clean your lashes and how to reuse them. And the whole reason for this video is because when I made my previous one about the magnetic lashes, I shared that on my social media and I had somebody comment and say, well, are these lashes something that are gonna last or are they just disposable like false lashes? Oh, clutch the pearls. Oh my gosh. Did you just say you throw away your false lashes like after one use? I'm pretty sure that's what she meant. That she just tosses her lashes after wearing them once. And you don't have to do that. I don't know. How many of y'all do that? Y'all comment and let me know if I'm just the only one that reuses lashes. They last me several weeks. Now, I can't give you an exact amount as to how long they last because my biggest problem is that I take them off and then I have some kind of funky little wad and I forget. Now these have like fuzz and all kinds of funk in them and the whole point is so that I can show you. We're gonna get to that. But I lose them. I stick them to anything. I peel them off like, oh gosh. Okay, so the other day I get in my husband's truck and I haven't ridden in his truck in a really long time. So I get in his truck, we're going somewhere, I look on the dash and there's like a collection of lashes all stuck across his dash and I'm thinking, why didn't you throw those away? And he's like, nah, it's okay. They just remind me of you. So anyway, don't do that. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick little video on how to clean your lashes and how to reuse them. So let's jump right into that and get started. These are the cheapest lashes that I think I've ever tried before, and I thought, well, if these can stand up to cleaning, then we should be able to do any type of lash cleaning. Okay, so I'm taking them off now. And I'm gonna stick them on here just so y'all can see that these are, I guess I should have done that on camera, peeled them off so you can see. All right, so there are my used lashes. I'm just gonna show you real quick what to do to be able to reuse your lashes. Okay, so just totally ignore my horrible nail polish job. This is 4 coats of nail polish to be able to get this shade and they have bubbled up and look horrendous. So I'm hoping that I'm out of focus so y'all can't see how bad my nails really are. Okay, so all I'm doing is some type of eye makeup remover. This is the Equate brand. Oh, and it has a Q-tip in there. I forgot that I dropped my Q-tip in there the other day. I hope that doesn't contaminate and I can't get that out. It's just gonna stay in there. I hope that it was a clean cotton swab because it will not come out. So yeah, if you see that in there, that's why. Okay, so now that I've gotten my makeup remover, this is oil-free makeup remover, and I like to use the oil-free just because I don't know if that would degrade the little band, so that's kind of what I aim for. And then all I'm gonna do is just put some of that on the glue and on where my mascara is. These little lashes were so sparse and kind of so sad that I thought they just really needed mascara. And I don't always do that. Get a little more on there. I don't always do that to my fake lashes. I don't always add mascara, but sometimes if they need it, you know? I'm just cleaning off the mascara. Kind of, you know, you want to be gentle with it because these are 98-cent lashes. So they're probably going to fall apart with just you looking at them wrong. Okay, so then once my little hairs are clean, I'm going to go back on the band and just make sure that's really good and coated. Run your remover over that band. And you'll see it kind of start dissolving. And it turns into like a gummy stuff. Yeah, see, okay, watch. This is gonna be really good for y'all to see if I'm in focus. I'm just peeling that hunk of glue off. Ever so carefully. See, it just comes right off.
Don't pull too hard because you don't there's no going back. If you rip that band, you're done for. But these little lashes are so dainty and delicate. Okay, so there's a chunk right here. And I'm gonna just grab that chunk of glue and pull that off. Okay, so this one still has the clump of glue on the lash band compared to this one that's all clean and pretty. And it's already coming loose on the edges. And then see if you can kind of get it started. Yuck. Here it comes off. There we go. Okay, are we getting that? I don't know which way to turn it so y'all can see. I need that white background. Okay, look at it just peeling off. Gunk. Okay, so once the majority of, I mean, you know, you could work on it all day long to get it perfect, but I mean, what's the point of that? Because as long as it's sanitized. Okay, so then the last step is just take some alcohol. Oh, this is just rubbing alcohol. It's probably gonna start pouring out onto my table so that y'all can see that. Just because, you know, the idea of having germs next to my eyeball is, oh, not good at all. So I'm just going to, now they're wanting to jump all over the table, just kind of go over that with my alcohol just to make sure that any germs from wearing them throughout the day are just cleaned off. That's gotten a lot off. Look how dark my Q-tip is from the, it's not really saying a whole lot from my makeup remover, is it? And so once you feel like that you've gotten them all coated with your alcohol, then where's my little case? What did I do with the case? Here it is, sitting right here the whole time. Okay, so then the last step is just I put mine back in the case that they came in. And that kind of helps to hold the shape. Now these are still sticky from, you know, when you buy the lashes, they come stuck like that on the little packaging. So I just put them back where I got them. I need to do a little better trimming on this because this one I think is shorter than this one. But that's okay. You have to trim your lashes. If you don't trim your lashes when you put them on, gosh, I can't tell you how many tries I tried just wearing lashes just as they were when I bought them. And I hated wearing false lashes. They hurt. It was painful. It was annoying. It irritated my eyes. You gotta trim your lashes. If you don't trim them, oh my gosh. When you trim yours and you see, if you haven't been trimming them and you trim them now, you will want to kiss me straight on the forehead because you will just be in love with this tip. Anyway, these are delightful 974 98-cent lashes. I don't think you can do better than that. And these are not bad at all. And they withstood me cleaning them. So 98-cent lashes, and I cleaned them, so I'm gonna get more than one use out of them. I think that you can't do wrong with that. So, okay, all right, that's it for the actual nitty-gritty. Okay, so get to cleaning those lashes. Don't just stick them to random things and then just throw them away. They're not supposed to be disposable. You'll know when they just get fried and frazzled and they're not good anymore. Okay, so maybe that helped you guys today so that you're not constantly tossing your lashes, because I've got some really nice sets. I've got some that are the faux mink, and those are not cheap. Hopefully this will help you hang on to yours and get more life out of your false lashes. Alright, so if you guys have liked this video, if you would please subscribe to my channel, that would be awesome. Let's go put lashes on and go get to cleaning those lashes. Alright, y'all have a good one. Bye.